Wow! Wow!
What have you found?
It's a toy boat. A toy boat!
Krashy and ChiChi want to go for a ride in the toy boat.
Oh!
Krashy, do you have an idea? Oh, you found a plank made of wood. Maybe you can use that to reach the boat. Oh, well, that's a shame. The plank's too short.
Yes, it's too short. Aww.
Can you think of another way to get on the boat?
Oh, maybe we could fly. Yes, we can fly. Yeah! Krashy!
Oh, Krashy, you fell in the water. Be careful. Don't be sad, children.
Nothing is working.
Krashy, ChiChi, maybe you could try a different.
A different plank. Yeah! A long one.
Yes, this one is long enough to reach the boat safely. That looks like a lot of fun.